Hello there, my name is Espoir. I'm a counseling psychologist with mHub, and today we're going to talk about mindful resilience. Life is not a straight line. Sometimes you may feel you're on top of things, everything you're doing tends to go very, very well. But out of a sudden, life's changes will occur, and you may slide into a dark and lonely valley of distress. In this moment, we may tend to forget everything that was happy and joyful or every pleasure that we experienced before. Negative memories, a painful history, normal life hardships, and the unavoidable life demands can bring a toll on us, make us feel stuck, feel numb, and unable to progress in a healthy way. So when you're hurting, it is easy to become fragile, you become vulnerable, and you may become cynical. As Adam Markov puts it, what determines how we feel or how we embrace and utilize life's changes is resilience. Resilience goes deeper than just facing a challenging moment. It is the key to living the life that you love. It is how you will succeed in business, in relationship, and in life in general. Resilience is not only able to help you get back up after falling, actually, it propels you forward in an even better way. Resilience is also the ability to become change proof. We need resilience in four areas. Number one, physically. Physical resilience enables your body to maintain energy and face difficulties and be able to recover rapidly. Number two, emotionally. This is the ability to positively change your mind when you cannot change the situation around you. The way you think may affect how you feel, and it may affect how you act. You may say, yes, I am hurting right now and it's so bad, but is there anything I can do to feel better? And your thinking may also help you to have a sense of hope and positivity that may help you to try, hoping that things will get better. And this actually protects you from falling into despair. You need resilience socially, the ability to handle and recover from interpersonal problems such as rejection, harassment, being treated unfairly, or being misunderstood by people. Mindfulness can be very effective to help manage emotional pain and help you achieve peace of mind. So today, I want to give you a practical tip on how to build mindful resilience using the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. This technique is a great way to practice mindfulness, as it is an exercise that can be done anywhere at any time. You can either doing it seated or standing, or even you can choose to lay down and practice it. And it doesn't need any equipment. This is how you do it. Relax, find the best position, whether you're standing or you're seated. Start by breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Okay, to begin with, look around and name 5 things that you can see around you. Maybe you see a colorful wall hanging painting. Maybe you see a beautiful curtain on your window. Maybe you're having a nice view of the hills at your balcony. What do you see? Next, focus on 4 things that you can feel. A cup of coffee in your hands. You can even touch your own hands. Or a very nice denim jeans you can touch on your laps. Number three, name three things that you can hear around you. Gonna use our senses of hearing. Can you hear a sound of your clock ticking? Can hear birds singing or a rooster crowing in the backyard? What do you hear? You can hear a very smooth humming sound of your computer. Number four, now try to notice two things that you can smell around you right now. Maybe you can smell that cup of coffee. Very nice coffee smell. I like it. Or you can smell a very nice deodorant on your body. Finally, one emotion that you can feel in the moment. Name one emotion that you can feel in the moment. How do you feel right now? Thank you very much. I recommend you to make this practice a habit, and this grounding technique can always help you to deal with overwhelming emotions, and it can help you to find a new balance and to help you to navigate through your emotions and to regulate your emotions and help you to have and achieve a peace of mind and peace of heart. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Find time if you want to replay this video and get familiar to this practice. Thank you.